Hi everyone, welcome to my day trading recap. Today I'm up $390, but I'm closing the week into the red. As you guys can see, $1,400. The last red week I had was at the end of April, which is just like that, 1700 into the red. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I'm not used to close red weeks, but whatever, man. Today I traded. I didn't take a lot of trades. I traded. What was the name? SLND. I think that was the name. Yeah, this was a pretty nice runner. Made some money in here. Caught that little dip, which was pretty solid. The break of one was not so clean for me, in my opinion. It lacked the actual range. It did give some trades, but for me, it's hard to catch when they move so slow. It was somewhat of a grinder, you could even call it. The way it went up, the way it was like chopping on the level two. For me, I consider this as a grinder, and I have no like major problem trading grinders when they are below one. But once they above $1 and they trade between the range of $1 and 1.2, let's say, they can be very heavy. And although they have a 1 cent spread, which is the tightest spread you can ever wish for, it's still, if you compare it to the actual range it gives you, it could be just a chop fest. So I made like 1400 on that one, and then STAK came around and it initially popped and then it dropped. I didn't take any trades in that specific range, but when it reclaimed, as you guys can see, it reclaimed over in here. And from what I saw from my other friends, they made some money there. And for me, I just wasn't there. Like, I didn't pay attention. Like, I wasn't just in here trading. I feel like I was over on Discord doing nonsense and I missed this move entirely. So, man, I should trade that one. I should definitely trade it. So I'm break even on that one. And then market open comes and I see TRUG and I'm trying to trade it. I buy 178 and I get nuked, flushed all the way to 167 with 4K size. This is a $400 loss. And then I got chopped all the way in here. It was just so bad. GIPR2 off the open. Try to play this unsuccessfully. On this one, I didn't lose that big, but man, just losing off the open, unfortunately. And that's the thing. As you guys can see, I have 57% accuracy from that day, but just losing big money from open, man. So unfortunate, man. But yeah, I got some nice trades on S and SLND, but just couldn't keep the gains, boys. But it is what it is. I guess it should be a red week. And it feels like everyone is in a struggle. You see, let me open up the chat room real quick. So yeah, a lot of people in chat are red. Dash is red 37. Victor, who actually did a masterclass like over on Gen 1 for the students and everyone, is also red. And that's the thing. That's what we gotta go through. We gotta go through the red streaks. We gotta go through the struggles, the drawdowns. As you guys may already know, the mighty is red, like 17K drawdown, something like that. Today is green, fortunately, but yeah. And today we had all sort of nonsense. Check this out, guys. I'm trying to buy sub 60, buying little dip. I'm pressing the buy button right in here. So I should get filled maybe 4.56, right? Maybe 4.57. But that's like max 457. But it fills me all the way in 4.6. But yeah, I guess it's the light volume environment, but I shouldn't have even tried to trade the open today because whenever we going through some slow market conditions, you gotta just take the gains immediately and not overstay your welcome, even not for a bit. So that was the issue for me today because I was up 1400, which is pretty nice, especially when you talk about that specific day, which was not so strong. So yeah, main goal for me next week is to just lock in the base hits, not even trade the market open, Make sure I do not trade the backside, because backside when the market is so slow could be very brutal. So that's what I want to pay attention to. And I mean, yeah, honestly, gotta be grateful, man. I'm still up 10K on the month. We got like 10 days left over on the month. Should end somewhere near 20K, I guess, which could be pretty solid. Maybe market could hit up a little bit heading towards end of the month, but yeah, we never know. We never know, boys. So, short recap, as this day was pretty much a slow day, so not a lot to cover. But yeah, stay safe, stay green. Catch you later.